To log into OPALS, you go to the top right side of the web page and click on Login. Then log in with your username and password. Click on the Booking Reserve tab on the home screen. Click on the Preferred Date drop-down menu to select the date you'd like the item to be delivered. Once your date is selected, search for items by collection, field, or keyword. Choose your options and click the search button. You can click on the item's title to see more information about the item. Items that are unavailable on that date will show the next available date, and you will need to make a separate booking request for these items. To add an item to your order, click on the Add button on each item. You can do multiple searches to continue adding items to your list. Once you are finished adding items to your booking request, click the Next Step button. Review your order to make sure all items are included. To add or remove items, click on the Previous Step button. If you would like to delete items from your cart, you can do so by clicking on the Remove button. Each item will show the checkout period and due date, which may be different for different types of materials. When you have confirmed all items are correct, click on the Submit button to confirm your request. To review your current bookings, click on the My File tab on the home screen. Then click My Booking. Here, you can review the items in your booking and cancel your booking if you need to. When you have finished all of your booking requests, log out at the top right side of your screen.